Hello guys, it's your quant Julian, and here we are today for an epic video where I'm going to open a $100,000 long on Ethereum. The idea here is to explain you a bit about my trade, what do I do and why did I open this trade, and like to give you some ideas that you can copy in order to make it during the next cycle. That's our goal here. So let's start with ETH. As you can see here, we had like this liquidity zone drawn in the green box here. That was super interesting. We had many weeks into this zone and definitely a relevant order flow close to this zone. That's why I decided to open a long here that we will share then on Bybit. You can see here. So I still have a 40 ETH positions on this long because I took some profits. As you can see, I have 1,000 realized gain already, and I have a $3,000 unrealized gain. So I'm going to explain you a bit more about my strategy to exit this trade, but the idea was to catch up the trade here, and then I made some move, buy back and forth to grind during the day and make some profits. So why did I long ETH? Because I have closed my part of my BTC long, and I was like, okay, that's definitely interesting to go back on ETH. As you see, like here on the ETH BTC pair, ETH is down 14% against Bitcoin in only 23 days. ETH has really underperformed during the last few weeks. I feel the narrative will get back. Twitter is super bearish on Ethereum right now, so that's definitely the right time to be long or to have a look at it. So that's why I opened this long. So I took some partial profits along the way, really slightly. I don't know if it was like the best idea, but I was, wanted to reduce my exposure a bit. And then the idea, I think, is we get some juicy liquidation events and a big week into this area where I will most likely, I think, depending on the order flow, close the rest of my position and secure like, I think, a $6,000-7,000 profit. And then I will see from here. So we can also have a bunch of news dropping. So that's why I will be cautious when it's getting here. But that's the idea. So I'm trading definitely on Bybit because it's the best place to trade. You feel safe. There is no FUD going on Bybit right now. The user experience, user interface is super cool. Here you can move your orders and everything. So it's super cool. I really love it. So feel free to open a Bybit account to trade with me. Link in the bio, guys. And the idea is to trade together during this journey. So here, not much to do. As you may see, I have added some orders because I think I will take profit a bit above here. And then the idea is like if ETH goes back here, I will definitely add some long exposure. And to give you the bigger, broader picture on ETH, because I have some questions all the time, is like if we were breaking this zone, I think I would have added like some ETH long, depending on how the breakout was made a bit lower. But if we look at the structure on ETH, really lagging behind Bitcoin and really showing some beginning of some strength here. Super interesting for long-term exposure to gain and to post orders the right way to accumulate below $2,000, because I think that if we break $2,000, we will definitely get some like massive upside movements, and I think it will be a bit late to catch the train. That's the thing I wanted to share. So you have my trade here in details. ETH is super interesting. Perhaps this was hyped about ultrasound money. The inflation is below 1% a year, and I think if the NFT DeFi vibe is getting back on track, it will be definitely deflationary, and the narrative for the next bull cycle will just be insane, really insane. We have all the layer 2s also. The user activity on this chain will be massive. It will burn a lot of fees. So that's why you want to position now the right way on some spot orders and really grow your bags by putting some orders at the right place. Guys, really, you need to have a Bybit account for the next cycle. Register through my link. You will get some bonuses and also a surprise from me. So that's why when you are registered, feel free to reach out to me in DM, and I will explain you a bit more about this bonus that I think you will really enjoy. The idea is really to trade together, guys. to really make it together, have some insights, share some strategies and everything. So that's it. I think next time we're gonna do a video where I open like live if you want, positions like on ETH or on another altcoin as you prefer. But definitely ETH here was the best shot. I shared it in my private group, so that's why I wanted to get back here on this trade. Let's hope for this small deviation and then we will get the profit we needed. Some people asking me some short zones, for example, for ETH here today. I don't see any short opportunity here, aside if we get some really big liquidity event here. Perhaps it will be interesting, but really don't rush into shorting the market, especially when ETH is really lagging behind here. So that's it, guys. Really, it's helping me a lot. Like, subscribe, comment, share it to your friend who wants to make it in the next crypto cycle, and see you soon for another video.